Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I found at the Dollar Tree in Big Bear. So I found a lot of the sandals when I walked in. They have all sizes for kids and adults, so that is really cool. And then I also found these plates which I think are really beautiful, and they have so much summer decor if you want to do like a summer party or a luau party. I just think this is the perfect place to go. It basically has everything you need. And I just love those napkins right there with the fruits. I just think they are so perfect. And I just love that they are fully stocked on their flowers. Where I live, they do not have much. I also love these windmill decor. They have so much stuff for crafting, which I so love because I love to do DIYs. There's also so many stickers. As you can see, it is pretty much fully stocked. They have these plates and bowls, which I think are really pretty for the summertime. And the Eiffel Towers are one of my favorite finds there. And also these little decors as well. I think they are really cute. And I absolutely love these little trinket trays and just their little decor. Like, look at those. They are so pretty. They also have these which are perfect for putting your little jewelry inside. And they also have these ceramic apples, which I think are pretty cool. They have so many trinket trays here, and they are really cute as well. They also carry so many candle holders. And I also found these really cute hand towels. These were one of my favorite finds. It's this Freeman peel-off mask and the coffee scrub. And I'm just showing you everything else that they have in the beauty aisle. They have the Nivea. I just love that. They have these massagers, which I love. I have one already in the pink. I picked up one of these coffee body scrub. I'm looking forward to trying it. Let me know if you guys want a review on it. And I also found these wipes. It's with witch hazel. And I also found a lot of e.l.f. makeup brushes and makeup, which is pretty awesome. I also found these flavored lip balms. I found a bunch of these skunky headbands, and hair ties, which is pretty awesome. They are name brand, so whenever I find it at the Dollar Tree, it's really exciting for me. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.